Hi guys, this is Jia Ying and welcome back to my channel. If you love roast pork, you would love this dish that I'm sharing today. Growing up, whenever we had excess roast pork, my mom would actually dress the roast pork up with 3 additional ingredients to create variety. Over time, this has become one of our family's favorite dishes, and my husband fell in love with it the first time he tried it. So now sometimes we find ourselves buying roast pork just so we could cook it this way at home. Before we proceed, if you like this video and would like to support me, please hit the like button and subscribe so that more people can find this video on YouTube. Please also help to share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Thank you so much for supporting this small channel of mine. If roast pork is not readily available where you live, your best bet would be the nearest Chinatown or Chinese roast meat shop. Alternatively, you could also use crackly pork knuckles. You could also choose to make your own roast pork if you so wish to. Currently, I do not have a video on how to make roast pork from scratch at home, but I will include some links and references in the description box below as to how you could make your own roast pork at home, and I hope that it will come in handy for you guys. Smash the garlic with the blade of the knife and peel the skin off. Next, rough chop the garlic. Make sure that the garlic is chopped to about the size as shown for best crunch results. Slice the roast pork into small strips and place it on a plate. Personally, I like to use the non-stick frying pan for this dish because it is way easier, there's less stickage to the bottoms of the pan. But if you do not have a non-stick pan or do not prefer to use one, you just need to add a little bit more oil to the pan or wok. Place the pork into a non-stick pan on low heat to render out some of the fats. Now, typically I cook this dish by sight and taste, but especially for you guys, I'm going to include the quantity of each ingredient that I use so that it is easier for you guys. Once the bottom is lightly browned, flip the roast pork strips over and continue cooking on the other side. Add in a little more oil as needed and stir fry the chopped garlic until fragrant. Then add in the dark soya sauce and stir the pork to evenly distribute the sauce. Once the roast pork and garlic are evenly coated with the dark soya sauce, it is now time to stir in the sugar to speed up the process of caramelization. Quickly remove the roast pork to a plate to prevent it from burning. So now it's time for a taste test. My favorite part of this dish is the crispy roast pork skin and the caramelized garlic. And this dish goes perfectly with rice. This is so good. It's all the crunch in there. If you guys can hear it, but I'll just have a bit more so you can hear it. I love this so much, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the recipe or ingredient substitution, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Till the next video, see you guys and take care. Bye!